In this video, we are going to change a section from face-to-face to hybrid with rotation. Hybrid with rotation means that students will rotate between in-person participation on campus and attendance online. The first thing we need to do to make the changes to this course will be to click the Reset to Planning button. Changing this back to planning status will allow us to change our delivery modes as well as our time and location information. I've clicked Reset to Planning, and now we get this confirmation message that the course has been returned to planning status, and we see that the delivery modes link is active. We will click that, create a new delivery mode, and locate hybrid with student rotation and save. We then need to delete the face-to-face delivery mode because each course section should only have one delivery mode. When we return to summary, we will then see that this course section is requesting a university classroom. So we will also need to choose a course category. We will create a new category and then find high, medium, or low priority for on campus. The next step will be to add a new time location line to this section. We need to have the on-campus line and a new web line that has the same meeting pattern. I will click time and location, add a new time and location, and set the new line with the same meeting pattern. I'm going to choose no for classroom scheduling manages initial room assignment, yes for off-site, no for is a learning center, and then we're going to type World Wide Web in the city field and delete the country field. We now have our two time location lines. The final step will be to add a registration information note so that when people are viewing this section on MyUI, they will be able to better understand how the course operates. This is an optional step, but we do recommend it. So you can add your note and save. When we return to the summary, we now see everything in place that we need for this course: new delivery mode, our category, our two time location lines, and our registration information. At this point, you would submit the section to workflow, and that would route to the Office of the Registrar for review and approval.